Hey, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and it is time to get super crafty. So, out on my desk, I have the Stardust collection, or what is left of it. I use this collection for December daily. I've also done a ton of travelers notebooks layouts, and also did like a journal. So I have bits and pieces of this collection left, but I really love this collection. And oh, and I have a ton of paper left. I didn't use as much paper because my December daily was a mini little three by four album. So I want to make some embellishments so I can continue using this kit and using the papers. Let me show you what's left in the 6x8 book. Basically the papers. Well, I really like this one. Papers that didn't work for December daily, or like that one, I just didn't like it. So I have a few of those left, and the sticker book I have just been using in my traveler's notebook. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this sticker book. I may just leave it on my desk to continue using in my traveler's notebook. But these are, let me move this out the way. These are all the little bits and pieces from the sticker sheets and the die cuts and a few pages that I cut apart. So this is kind of what's left. Like, there are some stickers in here, some die cuts. So the plan is to make some embellishments. Oh, and I have a piece of a sticker sheet left. I'm going to fussy cut like all these little pieces, and I'm going to fussy cut a few. Yeah, this sheet and this sheet. I'm going to fussy cut those sheets. And then we're going to try and make some embellishments. Oh, and I have this left, which I was really excited to use in December daily. But it fell, I guess it fell behind my desk. And I'm embarrassed to say that. But I just now found it. So I will be using this. I really didn't use it for December daily. And I have the puppy stickers left. And these were just kind of too big to use. I don't know, they're big to use in December daily. I don't know, I've been having trouble making these work on a layout. So I'm going to fussy cut some stuff, and then we will see what type of embellishments we can make. All right, so I have organized all the little pieces on this little tray or this little plate. And I've also, I don't know, made a bunch of little things. I made some tiny envelopes, an envelope with the top cut off. And some of these you can use just like this. Some of them I may just add them to my stash, and some of them I'm going to embellish. I also have a few tags in 2 different sizes. And I made 2 library pockets. This one holds like a 3x4 card, and the cut apart sheet had like this odd little size. So I have 2 library pockets. Let's see what else. Oh, and these little pockets, and these are basically, you take any scrap, fold it in half, glue the sides, and make a little notch at the top. These come together very quickly. And I also have a Polaroid frame. So I'm going to embellish a few of these, and let me see what else I come up with. All right, so I am just showing you everything I was able to make with the remainder of what I had left from this kit. And this makes it easier when you have those bits and pieces. They don't really work on a layout, but when you put them together, these can easily pull a scrapbook layout, a planner layout, traveler's notebook, anything. They can easily pull a layout together pretty quickly. So I have lots of little bits. My favorite was that little pocket. That one will be used in my journal. And of course, the tags. And with all the bits that I did not decorate, I did make a bunch of tags, some mini envelopes, a few of those little Polaroid frames. But I did not decorate everything because I want to have some stuff just ready for a spread. So I stuffed them all in there. And here are all the die cuts that are left from the collection, and I put them in that little pocket. And then I also made this really tiny little pocket folder, and this just holds all those little tiny bits like the stickers that I cut off that larger sheet, and it helps to keep them stored easily in my stash. Like I can stuff all these in a little pocket and pull out everything I have from that collection and quickly put together a layout or just glue these bits and pieces in my journal. And I'm just reorganizing these little bits because I didn't want anything to get snagged when I put the little pocket folder in the front. But I hope you have enjoyed this process of me stretching this stash, and stay tuned for more.